Hey there, language enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. We're going to show you how to talk like a native English speaker in less than 30 minutes. That's right, we're going to share some effective techniques to help you sound more natural and fluent in your English conversations. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the strategies, let's discuss why it's important to sound like a native English speaker. Speaking English with native-like fluency opens doors to better communication, opportunities, and builds stronger connections with native speakers. So let's unlock the secrets to sounding like a native speaker in just 30 minutes. Part 1: Mimicking native pronunciation. Listen and imitate, pay attention to the pronunciation of native English speakers. Listen to audio clips, podcasts, or watch videos to train your ear. Observe the rhythm, stress, and intonation patterns they use in different situations. Focus on vowel and consonant sounds. English has unique sounds that may not exist in your native language. Practice these sounds individually, and be mindful of the differences in tongue placement and airflow. Mimic native speakers to develop a more authentic pronunciation. Shadowing technique: repeat sentences or passages along with a native speaker to improve pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. This technique helps you internalize the natural flow of English speech and trains your mouth muscles for accurate pronunciation. Part 2: Mastering informal English expressions. Learn common idioms. Idioms are phrases that have a figurative meaning different from their literal interpretation. Familiarize yourself with popular idioms used in everyday conversations. Use them appropriately to sound more natural and fluent. Practice colloquial language. Informal language is commonly used in casual conversations. Learn everyday slang, phrasal verbs, and expressions used by native speakers. Use them when appropriate to sound like a local. Study common contractions. Native English speakers frequently use contractions to speak more quickly and naturally. Practice using contractions in your speech to mimic the native speaker's rhythm and flow. Part 3: Mastering natural conversation flow. Practice active listening. Pay attention to how native English speakers engage in conversations. Take note of their turn-taking, pausing, and back-channeling techniques. Respond appropriately with phrases like "I see," "Really?" or "That's interesting" to show your engagement. Use filler words naturally. Filler words like like, and you know are common in spoken English. Use them sparingly to add a natural flow to your speech, but be careful not to overuse them. Embrace small talk. Small talk is an essential part of informal conversations. Engage in discussions about weather, current events, or hobbies to establish rapport with native speakers. It helps create a relaxed atmosphere and encourages open communication. Part 4: Improving cultural awareness. Understand cultural references. Get familiar with popular cultural references, such as movies, books, and music. Understanding these references helps you connect with native speakers and makes your conversations more relatable. Study nonverbal communication. Nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, gestures, and body language, play a vital role in communication. Pay attention to how native speakers use these cues and try to incorporate them naturally into your own interactions. Now, let's look at some examples to illustrate how to talk like a native English speaker in different situations. Example 1. Situation: ordering food at a restaurant. Native-like response: "Hi, could I get the chicken Caesar salad, please? And could I have that without croutons? Thanks." Example 2. Situation: making a phone call. Native-like response: "Hello, this is John. I'm calling regarding the job posting on your website. I was wondering if you're still accepting applications." Example 3. Situation: asking for directions on the street. Native-like response: "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest subway station? I'm trying to catch a train downtown." Remember, sounding like a native English speaker takes practice and time. These techniques can give you a head start, but it's crucial to continue immersing yourself in the language and practicing regularly. That wraps up our video on how to talk like a native English speaker in less than 30 minutes. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key is to practice, be confident, and embrace your language learning journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning expertise. Thank you for watching, and may you speak English like a native in no time.